Diversity to it, installing this hydraulic braking system from got off eBay onto my mud buggy. I had to hack a design to get it installed here. I took a electrical pole that was already bent and simply drilled a hole through this bicycle frame and attached a bolt through with the screw in it. That gave me my handle, and I attached the hydraulic braking system that already has the mounting hose into the side of this bicycle frame right next to my electrical pole, which was my handle. It had to be just right in order for the braking system to work, and it had to be real close together. So my first set of holes, I had to kind of move it back so it'd be just right. So when I pulled up on the braking system, it pushed back on the hydraulics, and it caused the brake to come in contact with the disc. So there you go, Diversity 2 installing the hydraulic braking system from eBay onto my mud buggy project.